Welcome to Graybar's residential video series. Today's focus, safety. Joining me today to talk about safety and compliance is Square D's resident expert, Jeremy Shaw.
National Electric Code is a set of standards that are adopted state by state, but they provide a guide for safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. Some of the main ways that National Electric Code has driven safety in the home is with a few things. So one is addition of an outdoor disconnect requirement that allows first responders to safely disconnect power to a home before entering in say the case of a fire. We've also expanded ground fault protection in the home, which will increase safety for the homeowner working with their electrical equipment. And then has also added requirements for surge protection. So to meet the National Electric Code requirement for outdoor disconnects, we have a number of offers, one of them being combination service entrance device that provides both the meter socket required, but also the disconnect and interior all in one enclosure, which provides an easy installation for the contractor. We also have outdoor rated load centers that can be used in combination with the meter socket, and we also have enclosed circuit breakers. So we have a number of options that allow our contractors to meet that code. So for the expanded ground fault circuit protection requirement, we have a number of single pole and 2-pole ground fault circuit breakers in every room that's required. So to meet the National Electric Code requirement for surge protection, we have many different solutions our contractors can choose from. One being our plug-on neutral surge devices for QO and Homeline, as well as other externally mounted devices that can be installed in our load centers. Bottom line is Square D is committed to electrical safety in the home, and we've designed our products to make it easy for our contractors to meet that code.
Thank you, Jeremy. It's clear to see how Square D has put safety and compliance at the top of their priority list. With hundreds of stocking locations across the United States, Graybar is proud to be their largest stocking distributor. See you next time.